Our theme which we have chosen from before is Atmanirbhar Bharat, which says self-reliant Bharat. The topic which we are going to do is smart irrigation system, and this let's know after that. First thing is gratitude. Let's give a very big round of applause to PM Modi sir and all the executives who helped in this. First, thank you PM Modi sir. Let's get into the topic. So what we have done is smart irrigation system. The smart irrigation system says that it brings out the problems which our Indian farmers face. Our Indian farmers migrate to another states and countries, so they feel more lost. They have scarcity of water. They don't have efficient electricity, and on all these bases they migrate. They migrate to another countries. And why we have done this is that because our farmers, not only our farmers, we are future citizens. While we go to farmer, we should not, while we go to agricultural system, we should not have the thought that, oh, this is very time consuming, this contains more electricity. We should not have that worry. We should simultaneously, our farmers simultaneously can do all his work by using the sensor and also develop their skills in another field, so that our India is getting developed. So first, introduction and our objectives are, the objectives of this model is, it saves electricity, it saves, it doesn't lack water, it only requires efficient amount of water, then more manual efforts is not used, and to promote the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat, and to show tribute to Kalpana Chawla ma'am, who is a very big inspiration for our young minds and all those things. These are the introduction and objectives of our model. Now let's see the material used in our model.
Good morning all, myself Ishani from Standard 8. These are the materials used for smart irrigation system. Soil moisture sensor helps to detect moisture level in soil and helps to control the water supply. 5V relay module acts as a switch to turn the water pump on and off automatically. 5V mini water pump pumps the water from the tank to the plant pot when the soil is dry. And we use 2 feed pipes which carries the water from the pump to the plant pot directly. And we use a breadboard which connects all the components together. And finally we use HW battery that provides power to the entire system efficiently. Thank you.
Before going to the other topic of our model, let's just take an example of our imaginary farmer and imaginary daughter. So here is a small story which we have created to nurture example of every farmer in India. So we have taken a character which is called Raju. He is an Indian farmer, and Miss Priya, who is Raju's daughter, and this is their house and all those things. This is their land, and here is something where this Raju sir is saying all his worries, all his sorrows to her daughter. He is facing so much loss in farming. He is not getting efficient water. The soil is getting more dry, neither more wet. So for this, he is just asking his daughter, who is the main reason for our project, that she says that she would introduce something which is called as smart irrigation system, and finally his father is very proud of her daughter. Like this, we our future generation, future citizen, have to give more innovative ideas to father, in the sense our country, our country India, to develop more. Now we'll see the construction of the model.
Good afternoon everyone. This is the construction of smart irrigation system. We have placed a pot with soil and a small water container on the cardboard base. Water flow. For water flow, we have fixed a 5V mini water pump and connected a 2-feet pipe from the pump to the pot for water flow. Sensor placement, we have inserted the soil moisture sensor in the soil near the plant roots. Connections, we have used breadboard and jumper wires to connect the 5V relay module to the pump. The relay controls the pump based on soil moisture. Power supply. We have connected the HW battery we have connected the HW battery for the power sensor and relay and pump. Thank you.
Without any further delay, let's just listen to the uses of the model.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Mahalakshmi Naikvi. Today I am going to speak about uses of smart irrigation sensor system. It helps in automatic watering of plants when the soil is dry. It saves the water by providing only the needed amount of water to the plants. It keeps the plants healthy by maintaining proper soil moisture. It's energy efficient and works on a small HW battery, and it's useful for farmers and gardeners to reduce manual work, and also it is helpful for educational projects to learn about smart technologies. It prevents overwatering and protects the plant roots. It monitors soil moisture. It monitors soil moisture 24/7 without human help. It supports smart and modern farming techniques, and also it helps in saving time, energy, and natural resources efficiently. Thank you.
I know we all are waiting for the working principle of the model. Now let's hear it.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Shri of 9th grade, and this is our model smart irrigation system using sensor. So moisture is placed in a soil which continuously check how dry or wet the soil is. When the soil becomes dry, the sensor sends a signal to the motor or water pump which starts pumping water automatically. And when the soil is wet enough, the sensor sends another signal to the motor to stop the motor. In this process, we save water, energy, electricity and time, and helps farmer reducing manual work. In simple words, the system plants only when needed, just like a smart farmer. Thank you.
Let's bring more smart farmers to our area. Before that, let's just see this. So this is the mind map which we have used in our smart irrigation system, and these are the uses of our smart irrigation system. Here when we open, we see smart irrigation system.
Go.
Now let's just see how does it work. Okay, so here we have the HW battery. So the black wire is connected to the minus sign, and the red wire is connected to the plus sign. Okay, now let's just see this pot. While the pot is kept in the wet soil, the water is not coming from the pipe. But when the soil moisture detector is kept in the dry soil, the water is out. So here we are with more great gratitude and all. So the conclusion is that let's start resolving small problems in our country which will lead to the development of entire great India. So here end of the project we just give and gratitude towards PM Modi sir and the education minister of our country. So this is how we end our